Are you looking for the best professional hair clippers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best professional hair clippers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Lemural hair clippers for men plus cordless close cutting. Because of the powerful rotary motor, this product would help in providing a suitable haircut. Using it would become more effective because of the digital display. Because of the safe and convenient design, you would find it suitable for your use. Using this product would be easy for you. It is designed in such a way that it would be possible for you to use it in the comfort of your home. So you can easily give your family a haircut. To learn more about the different features and specifications of this product, you can see the details. Number 4. Lemural hair clippers for men professional cordless clippers. This particular product can be suitable for your use. This complete set is suitable for men. So if you are searching for a product like this, take a look. You can even use it for your kids or toddlers since it is designed to be safe and convenient for your use because of the quiet and powerful rotary motor. It would be possible for you to make the most of it. The ergonomic handle would let you use it with ease, and because of the LED display, it would become a lot easier for you to know the relevant percentage of the battery. It can be suitable for you even if you are a beginner. You can learn more about the product by seeing the comments from other users. Number 3. Wahl Model 79467 Clippers Self-Cut Personal Haircutting Kit. This particular kit can be a suitable addition to your life. It would be possible for you to get a haircut in the comfort of your home when you are using a product like this. The blade material for this particular product is stainless steel. The power source is corded electric. It is ultra quiet, so you need not worry. It's important that you know what features a product has. When you already know the relevant features, it can become a lot easier for you to decide if it's a viable option or not. Because of the smaller design, you would find it easy to use. It offers a soft and comfortable grip. It has a compact size. You can see the details to learn more about this product. Number 2. Hadiker Men's Beard Trimmer Cordless Hair Clipper. This particular product has a powerful motor and you can expect it to be durable. To get more idea about the durability of a product, it is a good idea to check the customer comments. It can help you decide what other people are saying about their experience. The ceramic titanium blade would be suitable for your use. Because of the lithium-ion battery, it would be possible for you to make the most of it. You can charge the battery for 90 minutes and then it would be possible for you to use it for 2.5 hours. It would operate quietly, so you need not worry. Because of the LCD display, it would be possible for you to get an idea of the battery capacity. To learn more about this product, you can see the details. Number 1. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper and Trimmer. This particular product is designed to be suitable for men, women, and children. Using such a product would make haircutting easy for you. Because of the color code guide, using it would be easy for you. The runtime of the battery is up to 60 minutes. Depending on your preferences, you can use it with a cord and even cordless if you like. To get more information about this product, you can see the details.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.